Hey guys, I went blueberry picking the other day and beautiful day, beautiful berries. So I had some left over and decided to make up some blueberry crumble and it came out magnificent. Something you just gotta make, so let me show you how to do it.
Okay guys, to kick things off here, what I've got are 6 cups of fresh blueberries that I picked myself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these into a container, which just happens to be a baking dish, but oh well, that works. Now over the top with half a cup of sugar just to sweeten them up and make them a little sweeter than I am, which is really hard to do, haha. Then a tablespoon of cornstarch. Grab up the old microplaner and grate in some lemon zest, and I don't know about you guys, but I just love the smell of fresh lemon. Give the old lemon a slice in half. Squeeze in about half that fresh lemon, which is equivalent to, I'd say about a tablespoon or 2. And this will bring out that fruitiness in the berries, very similar to, I'd say vanilla extract in chocolate. And an additional half a teaspoon of salt just to bring out those flavors. Grab up the old spatula and gently mix everything together. And I say gently because you don't want to squish and squash those berries. And these are indeed starting to look like really good berries. Okay, now our berries are all done, it's time to start making up our crumble, starting with 1/3 of a cup of flour, half a cup of regular old rolled oats, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and of course you can use brown or white, followed by half a teaspoon of the old saltation, then about 6 tablespoons of cold cubed up unsalted butter, and you want this as cold as possible because you really want that nice crumble. Then I'm going to grab up the old pastry cutter, and you can use, your hands too, but I just kind of like the pastry cutter, and just kind of fold and cut everything together until it becomes a really nice, beautiful mixture. And you kind of want to spend a little bit of time on this because you want that really nice crumble. Until you get it something like this, I think that's as crumbly as crumble can crumble or come or something like that. Anyway, it's looking pretty good. Because you can kind of see those good chunks of butter in there, and that's what you want because they're going to melt right into the crumble. Oh, that's going to be so good. Okay, I think you pretty much got it here, my friends. We're just going to grab up that crumble mixture and put it over top of those fresh berries that have been ever so patiently waiting. And kind of take your time and get a nice even spread here, distribution, whatever you want to call it. Now we are going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. After about 30 to 40 minutes, guys, there you have it, voila, a bubbling hot, blueberry crumble that is going to be ever so good. And I've allowed this to cool a teeny weeny bit, so I'm just going to grab this up and spoon it up, and just look at this wonderful looking crumble, steaming hot, ever so yummy. So let's do the finishing touches and plate this up and just look at that blueberry run. Oh my goodness. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. There you have it, our blueberry crumble. Oh, wait a minute. I done forgot a good scooper duper of vanilla ice cream over the top. How could I be so silly and forget that? And you bite into this, guys. It is spectacularly, if I can say that, spectacularly, whatever the word is, it is really good. A definite must make. Serve this up as a dessert with anything you have on hand. Great fall recipe. Simply a must try. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment, let us know how you like it, and give us a like if you're so inclined, because it does help the channel out. And if you're so inclined as well, subscribe for many of our recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.